This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, October 27th. Stock index futures firm in the early morning hours. This after earnings coming in better than expected. Also, there has been some merger and acquisition activity. Also, we did have the other economic reports basically coming in, for the most part, better than anticipated. Ultimately, though, it will be the interest rate environment that dominates. That would be in the long term. In the short run, though, it's the politics and what's going on in Washington. So I think this is probably a good time not to do a lot in stock index futures. But once again, in the longer term view, it's the interest rates that will determine the main direction for stock index futures. And of course, rates are very low. And if anything, interest rates are likely to become even lower. Moving over to the currency markets, seeing the dollar index now under some pressure. Looks like interest rate differential expectations overall are a bit bearish for the greenback. Also, we have the euro currency trading higher today with money supply numbers in the eurozone coming in stronger than expected, up 10%. And from here, I think the euro currency can advance. Interest rate futures markets seeing some gains at the long end, even though there is a little supply today from the Treasury. Last week, there were rather severe declines, coming back, though, almost halfway from what was lost yesterday in the bond market. And I'm thinking that any rallies should be used as selling opportunities, since longer-term inflation is likely to become somewhat of a problem, and that would be a negative for the long end of the curve futures, namely the 30-year Treasury bond futures. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMAS or ADM.